This is an audio test. Okay, we're gonna get this guy, we're gonna sneak up on this guy. Actually, I think that's a horrible idea. Ooh, pigs. I think, I'm not sure actually. Ordinary keys, wow, wow, wow. Oh no. Oh, I'm dead. Oh, that's so unfortunate. How could something like this happen to— oh! Alright, let's see if that sounds good. Virtual audio test this time. This one will actually work, probably, hopefully. What the hell is wrong with my headphones? Oh yeah, we got big guy here, yeah. Oh, steal the keys. Ooh, ordinary keys. Ooh, oh baby. Yeah, baby, the Mets. Go Mets. Okay, yeah, that one was also pretty bad, so we'll see if this audio is better. Audio input capture 4, a little bit over halfway at the minus 30 decibels mark. Grab the keys, commander keys. Hey Jimmy Pig, come over here and just kill me. Just kill me, you stupid piece of shit. You dumb idiot. Ow. Ooh, that hurt a little bit. Ooh. I'm getting sick of having to do so many audio tests, man. Like, why is the game audio gotta be so loud? It's like, I'm just trying to talk here, you know? So anyways, we're just gonna ignore this big guy, get these keys. Ooh, I wonder what they unlock. You know, maybe we'll find out if we just walk straight past, you know? Just walk right on through. Oh, said something? That hurt a little bit. Alright, hopefully it actually worked this time. Okay, I think I figured out why my audio has been so shit so far. Why it hasn't been changing. I think it's because I didn't realize that my video device and my audio device had two distinct shits. Because my, like, I'm using a capture card to record this, right? So I have the audio and I don't have that recording it. I have them, they're both running on the same device. I didn't think the video one was able to record audio. Ow. Damn, that shit bussin'. Ooh.